In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade a Hostinger plan. If you need to move to a lower tier hosting plan to reduce costs or better match your current needs, Hostinger gives you a way to do that directly from your account billing area. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. To get started, go to Hostinger and sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the user icon. This is where you'll find account-related settings and options connected to your subscriptions. From that drop-down menu, click Billing. This will take you to the section where Hostinger lists your active services, plans, and subscription details. If you have more than one plan in your account, take a moment here to make sure you're working with the correct one before making any changes. Next, find the plan you want to downgrade. On the far right side of that plan's row, click the arrow to expand the details. This opens the management options for that specific subscription. If you don't immediately see the downgrade option, make sure you've expanded the correct plan entry and are looking in the subscription details area. Once those details are open, click the option that says, "Click here to downgrade." This will bring you to the downgrade page, where Hostinger lets you choose the lower plan you want to switch to. On this screen, carefully review the available options so you select the one that best fits your website or hosting requirements. You'll then select the plan you want to downgrade to. If your current subscription term is longer than 12 months, you may also see the option to adjust the number of months. This is useful if you want the new plan term to better reflect your current budget or billing preference. Just make sure to double check both the plan level and the duration before continuing, since these details affect your subscription going forward. After you've confirmed your selection, click Complete Plan Downgrade. That finalizes the change and submits your downgrade request. At that point, Hostinger should apply the update based on the terms shown on the screen. So it's a good idea to quickly review any confirmation message or updated billing details afterward for peace of mind. That's the full process for downgrading a Hostinger plan. And once you know where the billing tools are, it's actually pretty straightforward. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.